This program is designed to provide general information with regards to the subject matters covered. This information is given with the understanding that neither the hosts, guests, sponsors, or station are engaged in rendering any specific and personal, medical, financial, legal, counseling, professional service, or any advice. You should seek the services of competent professionals before applying or trying any suggested ideas.
Books, PD products, science, fashion, and glam talk. From Bollywood to Hollywood, it's Meet and Greet with Dr. Afshan Hashmi, right here on K4HD Radio and Talk4 TV. And here's your host, international speaker, educator, award-winning entrepreneur, and best-selling author, Dr. Afshan Hashmi.
Hello everyone, this is your loving host and best-selling author Dr. Afshan Hashmi, live from her studio in Rockville, Maryland, and today I will be talking in Meet and Greet live on K4HD Radio and Talk4 TV, and today I will be talking about a research paper on epilepsy. But before I dive into that, and yes, I am PhD in biochemistry and also RAC Regulatory Affairs certified and clinical chemistry certified, from American Board of Clinical Chemistry, American Board of Clinical Pathology, and here it is. My qualifications are here, and these are my two books. The first one is The Modern Mughal Mentality, New Strategies to Succeed in India and the Global Marketplace, and the second one is The Outbreak of a Monstrous Infection. When these two books came, of the first one, lot of research going on Jugaad, which I have conceptualized as thinking outside the box, and it is a common sense strategy, and from time to time I will give classes on this, and if there are some exercises, if you do those exercises, then I will recommend you for your coursework or anything. And the other one is The Outbreak of a Monstrous Infection, and both were Amazon bestsellers. This one was Amazon bestseller in USA and India, and this was Amazon bestseller in USA, and this one was a hot #1 new release on Amazon. And I want a movie or a documentary to be made out of the first book, and the second book I want a movie or a web series to be made, or a TV serial. So all those Hollywood, Bollywood producers, please contact me at afshan@drafshanhashmi.com. And now let's and this show will be syndicated worldwide to 300 million listeners. So if you give me sponsorship, I will give you a very nice rate, and you can contact me at afshan@drafshanhashmi.com. And now folks, this is the paper, Anti-Epileptic Drug Combinations for Epilepsy, Mechanisms, Clinical Strategies, and Future Prospects. So this is the one here, and this is by Lee et al., and it came in the journal International Journal of Molecular Sciences in 2025, and volume 6 and page 4035. So this is what it is, and here is the paper, and you can see the paper, and let me read the abstract, and I choose my own papers. So if you want that you want your papers to be promoted, go to my website www.afshanhashmi.com, and you will see the price on which, and the papers which I choose, of course, that is free, because I'm promoting the author here, because this is a very good review paper, and I went through the PubMed of Medline Library, and the medical library at NIH, which caters to the whole world, the online library, and I chose this paper on epileptic because there is so many cases. Or I'm not a medical doctor, that is a disclaimer. I'm PhD, and I have done lot of clinical research, as well as I know FDA law pertaining to FDA regulations and law, so I know what FDA law is, and I wanted to promote this epilepsy paper, because every second person in United States I see here in Montgomery County have some kind of epileptic disorder. And my own husband, I am a widow now, my own husband, had that corticobasal syndrome, which is an offshoot of epilepsy. I am no medical doctor, I am just a PhD person, but that's much I know. So having said that, let's start this. Epilepsy is a chronic neurological disorder characterized by abnormal neuronal discharge leading to recurrent and unpredictable disruptions in brain function. Despite over 30 anti-epileptic drugs, 30% of patients develop drug-resistant epilepsy requiring combination therapy. This review explores epilepsy's pathogenesis, including neural hyperexcitability, neurotransmitter imbalances, and ion change dysfunction, alongside genetic, inflammatory, immune, and oxidative stress factors. Oxidative stress, my whole PhD was, and my MPhil was on oxidative stress related to unstable hemoglobins, and my MPhil was, and my PhD was on effects of phenylhydrazine on red blood cell membranes. So it was oxidative stress related to red blood cell membranes. But here we are talking about the neurotransmitters, and my research at Johns Hopkins was on neurotransmitters. So, I can understand that. I worked on G proteins on Johns Hopkins University when I did my postdoctoral fellowship. So I can understand the oxidative stress very well. And now, folks, I will go on a break and will be back soon.
Hello viewers around the globe, this is Dr. Afshan Hashmi, live for her radio show at K4HD and Talk 4 TV show, and I just wanted to request you that please give me sponsorship if you want this show to continue. Having said that, friends, I will see you in another episode of K4HD Radio plus Talk 4 TV show, and if you give me sponsorship, I will give you very reasonable price, and also you will get lot of promotion, as this show is syndicated worldwide to more than 300 million listeners. Cheers and bye bye.
Would you love exposure for your business, product, or service to over 300 million potential listeners? Send an email to info@talk4media.com. And now let's hear from some of our sponsors.
Chapter 2: How Jugaad leads to multi-sector success stories in India, including definitions of the Jugaad management principle business model. Of the book The Modern Mughal Mentality, New Strategies to Succeed in India and the Global Marketplace. Inspiration. True Jugaad is an inspiration on how to create products using technology that meet the price-value equation. According to a Harvard Business Review article featuring expert Prahlad and Mashelkar, most innovation programs are built on the assumptions of affluence and abundance. We see the rich and the young in both the developed and the developing countries demanding environmental friendly products and services. They also believe that affordability and sustainability are crucial to driving successful business today. New technologies and radical business models are important not only to penetrate mass markets in India but in the entire world. By reconfiguring all areas of the business structure, they will pull.
A monstrous infection is spreading worldwide. OMG, is this a simple infection or a deliberate attempt to ruin the human population? Or maybe it's bioterrorism. What is this global infection and who is spreading it? Help us find out. Go to Amazon and search for The Outbreak of a Monstrous Infection. The human race needs your help to make this go viral. Go to Amazon.com and read The Outbreak of a Monstrous Infection to find out what happens next. Go now! The world is depending on you.
And now, back to Dr. Afshan Hashmi's radio show.
So now it says that it ranks among the most common brain disorders globally, with an annual incidence rate ranging from 50.4 to 8.7 cases per 100,000 people. Approximately 4.9 million new cases of epilepsy are diagnosed each year, contributing to a global burden of over 70 million people living with the condition. The disorder manifests through a variety of symptoms, including convulsions, loss of consciousness, muscle rigidity, muscle relaxation, and prolonged muscle contractions, which can significantly impact on individuals' quality of life. The pathophysiology of epilepsy involves complex mechanisms such as abnormal neural finding, neurotransmitter imbalances, ion channel dysfunction, and genetic predispositions. So what they are saying, that it is also genetic and non-genetic. So epileptic, and if there is a drug resistance to epilepsy, then you have to have a certain combinations of drugs. So it is a very, very, very thoughtful way. Now just think about this. These days, these illegal droning, illegal espionage is hitting people, everywhere in Montgomery County. And when my husband was sick, the doctor who was looking him before the surgery, she was hit by an illegal drone, and then she had to go. So just think, if doctors are hit by illegal espionage and illegal droning while they are doing operations, how difficult their life is. My life has been so difficult for past more than 20 years, and how I am surviving, I only know. My parents, my younger brother, my and my husband were all taken away by illegal droning and illegal espionage. That how dangerous this technique is. You can kill anybody through these techniques by cyber threats, and that is cyber terrorism. And I have written a book on bioterrorism. So chemicals and these kind of things, if combined together, what a cocktail, detrimental cocktail will be made. And people who are killing for thrill, they have to understand that they cannot just go and spy on people's houses or anything without their permission. And this has happened to me. So I don't want anyone who is listening, my 300 million listeners, that please, if something is unusual, then please go and look about it. Having said that, see, they are saying that GABAergic transmission enhancement and glutamate receptor inhibition. So there is, they say, to manage epilepsy, more than 30 anti-epileptic drugs, AEDs, have been approved for clinical use, targeting diverse mechanisms including voltage gated ion channel and modulation, GABAergic transmission enhancement, and glutamate receptor inhibition. In figure 1, some AEDs that have been approved for the treatment of epilepsy are illustrated. Despite these advancements, approximately 30% of patients experience drug-resistant epilepsy, where monotherapy proves insufficient. So as I told you, there should have been a combination of things. And first generation epileptic drugs are clona. These are the molecular formulas, and these are the drugs. Having said that, folks, now second generation, because first stage, second stage, and third stage, that's what they are saying, and these are the drugs. So once an C or any of those neurotransmitters have come, these are all terminal diseases. So people, please don't play with people's life by illegal droning and illegal espionage. I have lost my family, because of that. So please, 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 I request you to be very careful, and cyber terrorism and cyber threats are very, very eminent. Having said that, folks, now I will go on a break and will be back soon.
Hello everyone around the globe. This is Dr. Akshan Hashmi and with K4HD Radio and Talk 4 TV. And dear friends, I am live in Maryland in a country club, and I just wanted to say that please give me sponsorship if you want these shows to go on, because it takes a lot of effort and money to produce these kinds of shows. Having said that, friends, please give me sponsorship, and cheers and bye-bye.
Would you love exposure for your business, product, or service to over 300 million potential listeners? Send an email to info@talk4media.com. And now let's hear from some of our sponsors.
A monstrous infection is spreading worldwide. Oh my God, is this a simple infection or a deliberate attempt to ruin the human population? Or maybe it's bioterrorism. What is this global infection and who is spreading it? Help us find out. Go to Amazon and search for the outbreak of a monstrous infection. The human race needs your help to make this go viral. Go to Amazon.com and read The Outbreak of a Monstrous Infection to find out what happens next. Go now. The world is depending on you.
The Outbreak of a Monstrous Infection, Chapter 1, 1964 to 2018, and this is the sample track, and it is read by Dr. Afshan Nahid Hashmi. In a sprawling bungalow in Potomac, Maryland, USA, lived Dr. Honey Singh, a board-certified internal medicine and family practice physician, along with his beautiful wife, Baby Singh. Baby Singh was a fashionista and was funding women's causes through her Honey Babe Foundation. She had a ladies' book club by the name of Baby's Glam and Glitzy Club, which had many glam and glitzy ladies who were professionals living in Washington, D.C., Potomac, Maryland, Virginia, and even Beverly Hills, California, as well as elites from all of America meeting at her place on the last Wednesday of every month, discussing various aspects of charities they wanted her and Dr. Honey to fund. In this club, there was a wide spectrum of career women. There were doctors, lawyers, actresses, business owners, and models, to name a few. In these book club meetings, members would come prepared after reading a book of a famous woman author, and that author was even invited from any part of the world to give her presentation, followed by a Q&A in this prestigious and elite gathering.
And now, back to Dr. Afshan Hashmi's radio show.
Pathogenesis of epilepsy. So this is the diagram: inflammation and immune response. It says the core pathology of epilepsy revolves around the synergy of abnormal neural discharges, neurotransmitter imbalances, and ion channel dysfunction. Figure 2, 8 to 12. So this is figure 2 from 8 to 12. And here it says that nerve imbalance, damage, oxidative stress causes neurons to be in oxidative stress, and then here the brain function, and when they hit here at my hypothalamus, that's why I feel stress, and I'm feeling so much of pain in my back now. this is inflammation. So these are some neurotransmitters, TNF. These are also, some cells called TNF neuro in these are the kind of responses that if TNF increases, 1 beta and alpha TNF, there is an immune response and the neurons are excited. Neurons are brain cells, and inflammation and immune response, and then it goes to epilepsy, and then GABA, neural inhibition. So these are some short forms, and you can read the paper that for example, the dysregulation of glutamate and excitatory neurotransmitter and R-aminobutyric acid GABA and inhibitory neurotransmission is a hallmark of epilepsy. Glutamatergic hyperactivity induces calcium influx through N-methyl D-aspartate receptors, causing excitotoxicity, while GABAergic interneuron loss or dysfunction exacerbates network hyperexcitability. Molecular basis for channel pathies. So this is what it is. And here, see the mutation, that if there is a mutation, like at the molecular level, there is a disbalance of the genetic code, that is called mutation, and excited neurons are there. And then, so, if you are having illegal droning and people are getting hit by that, then your axons are in excited state, and acetylcholine receptor, see, and mutation in sodium channel, potassium channel, and calcium level at the molecular level. The genetic factors, suppose one chromosome is coming from the male and one coming from the female, and then they form an embryo, and then the child is born after 9 months. So that is what it is. Just see this. Normal neurons, excited neurons. So these are the normal neurons, and these are the excited neurons. See the shape difference. So if you see these kind of shapes, if you can see, like by I know you cannot see the neurons, but you can feel it. If those drones, are put into you can see that these are excited neurons and normal neurons. I don't know what to say to this. And these are the short forms. It's a very good review paper. So please go and review that. And now I will go on a break and will be back soon.
Hello everyone. Hello everyone, this is Dr. Afshan Hashmi live from a barn country club in Virginia, and I just wanted to say that my K4HD radio and Talk 4 TV show called Meet and Greet with Dr. Afshan Hashmi is syndicated worldwide and has more than 300 million listeners. And if you want these shows to continue, please give a sponsorship, and I request to please give a sponsorship because these shows require a lot of energy and money to produce. So I would request everyone to give me sponsorship, and your product will be promoted in a very reasonable price, and you can contact me at afshan@drafshanhashmi.com. Cheers and bye.
Would you love exposure for your business, product, or service to over 300 million potential listeners? Send an email to info@talk4media.com. And now let's hear from some of our sponsors.
Chapter 2: How Jugaad Leads to Multi-Sector Success Stories in India, including definitions of the Jugaad Management Principle business model. Of the book The Modern Mughal Mentality: New Strategies to Succeed in India and the Global Marketplace. Inspiration. True Jugaad is an inspiration on how to create products using technology that meet the price-value equation. According to a Harvard Business Review article featuring expert Prahlad and Mashelkar, most innovation programs are built on the assumptions of affluence and abundance. We see the rich and the young in both the developed and the developing countries demanding environmental friendly products and services. They also believe that affordability and sustainability are crucial to driving successful business today. New technologies and radical business models are important not only to penetrate mass markets in India but in the entire world. By reconfiguring all areas of the business structure, they will pull.
A monstrous infection is spreading worldwide. OMG, is this a simple infection or a deliberate attempt to ruin the human population? Or maybe it's bioterrorism. What is this global infection and who is spreading it? Help us find out. Go to Amazon and search for The Outbreak of a Monstrous Infection. The human race needs your help to make this go viral. Go to Amazon.com and read The Outbreak of a Monstrous Infection to find out what happens next. Go now! The world is depending on you.
And now, back to Dr. Afshan Hashmi's radio show.
So I was given induced drug via illegal espionage and illegal droning. And I am a very, very clean person. And just see what benzodiazepines do. And today my whole house was smelling of kerosene. So again, gas was given. See this. See this. So this is the effects of various drugs on neurons, and you can go and read about it. And let me now talk about. Then there is combination therapies, clinical evidence. Pharmacotherapy remains the primary approach for epilepsy, and rational combination therapy has emerged as a critical strategy. And the other thing is, okay, so now yes, I wanted to show the adverse reaction. Yes. See, says monitoring adverse reactions. You have to report the drug interactions. You just can't mix things. If benzodiazepines, the drug, the Atkasi drugs, and amphetamines are mixed with people who are taking drugs for relaxation and sleeping, it can cause a very, very detrimental effect. And then you have to report it to the FDA, and you have to report it to FDA, or you can report it to your physician. And see, that is what adverse reaction monitoring is. And being an FDA regulatory affairs specialist, I know how to report adverse reactions to FDA. And see this. So now, folks, I will go on a break and will be back soon.
Hello viewers around the globe, this is Dr. Afshan Hashmi live for her radio show at K4HD and Talk 4 TV show, and I just wanted to request you that please give me sponsorship if you want this show to continue. Having said that, friends, I will see you in another episode of K4HD Radio plus Talk 4 TV show, and if you give me sponsorship, I will give you very reasonable price, and also you will get lot of promotion as this show is syndicated worldwide to more than 300 million listeners. Cheers and bye bye.
Would you love exposure for your business, product, or service to over 300 million potential listeners? Send an email to info@talk4media.com. And now let's hear from some of our sponsors.
Chapter 2, How Jugaad Leads to Multi-Sector Success Stories in India, including definitions of the Jugaad Management Principle business model. Of the book The Modern Mughal Mentality, New Strategies to Succeed in India and the Global Marketplace. Inspiration. True Jugaad is an inspiration on how to create products using technology that meet the price-value equation. According to a Harvard Business Review article featuring expert Prahlad and Mashelkar, most innovation programs are built on the assumptions of affluence and abundance. We see the rich and the young in both the developed and the developing countries demanding environmental friendly products and services. They also believe that affordability and sustainability are crucial to driving successful business today. New technologies and radical business models are important not only to penetrate mass markets in India but in the entire world. By reconfiguring all areas of the business structure, they will pull.
A monstrous infection is spreading worldwide. OMG, is this a simple infection or a deliberate attempt to ruin the human population? Or maybe it's bioterrorism. What is this global infection and who is spreading it? Help us find out. Go to Amazon and search for The Outbreak of a Monstrous Infection. The human race needs your help to make this go viral. Go to Amazon.com and read The Outbreak of a Monstrous Infection to find out what happens next. Go now! The world is depending on you.
And now, back to Dr. Afshan Hashmi's radio show.
Molecular toxicity mechanisms, nano drug, Entracept, pregabalin, and syringe. So these are some personalized treatment based on molecular mechanisms. So this is a diagram here. And folks, so let me talk little bit. When you have any pain here in your brain or anything, and someone is pressing and you can't see the person, that is what is illegal droning and illegal espionage. If somebody is putting pressure on your thing, because and whatever was done to me was done without informed consent and without my knowledge, without my husband's knowledge. So this is what illegal espionage and illegal droning is, that you get into somebody's house without their permission and start doing droning and start doing clinical trials, and these are all illegal clinical trials. And if a pharmaceutical company CEO is punished for illegal trials, then whoever whoever does that on American soil and kills people is equally responsible. And go and read 21 CFR 312 and 21 CFR 600, and you will know that what actually that is. Having said that, folks, and no informed consent was taken, and nobody can pressure anybody after the clinical trials are done to sign the informed consent, because the damage is already done to the body. See my life, my parents, my younger autistic brother, and me, and my husband, they've all dead, and now they are doing again illegal clinical trials, and they give those drones to small children and people to play with it, with human body. Is it very fair, folks? You for killing people for thrill. What is all this nonsense? I just cannot understand that. And because everyone, I see so much of disease of epilepsy, people can't walk, which is in the terminal stage, and no treatment was given to my husband, so it was induced death of my husband. That means it was induced killing, and how my life is disturbed, and how I have been uprooted because of illegal clinical trials and illegal espionage. I only know how I'm coping with the day-to-day problem. I was not actually prepared for it. So you should have a life insurance and everything, and your will and everything prepared, and be independent, so that if this calamity falls on you, you are prepared. Of course, rich billionaires, it's their idea, to do go into take expeditions to moon, take expeditions here and there, and do and see the effects of illegal clinical trials, but those billionaires have to understand that we are American people, and we will not be subjected to this kind of thing, and political game, that how much money you will give to this party, according to that you buy the post, like if you give $600 million, you will get this. If you cannot afford, if you afford $10, you are giving your food, in $10 somebody can have meal. So this is all what the problem is, that politics has become so cheap, and it looks like pan ka thela, which means that it's a panchayati election of India, and you can think of a third world country. That is what the American politics has become. And just see this: I love Israel, but please free Palestine and no bombing. People who are bombed every day, that how they feel. And if it is illegal droning and illegal espionage, that is also illegal bombing. You are bombing American citizens with this, and you are putting them in that stress. Why this kind of strategy is there? People should heal. Why my husband was not given the right treatment? Why I had a fall, and that was an induced fall. That's how it all started in my life. After that fall, I cannot stand for extended periods of time. So how my life is disturbed? Do these billionaires and do these politicians understand that? Having said, and they just come on TV and they are just fighting, Democrats fighting with Republicans and Republicans fighting with Democrats. Where is United States of America? I am suggesting I want to be a peace maker, and I have taught Islam to President Biden and President Trump. So I know both of them personally, and I want to actually bring peace together. What happened that day in correspondent dinner? Whenever President Trump goes out, he gets an assassination attack. Is it very fair to him? Who will be president? Do you want cartels to be president and ruin America? And the same thing happened with President Biden, So I know the inside story. So please, please think before voting, and all cartels and all terrorists should be removed. How much law enforcement could do? Even American citizens are responsible for peacemaking. Having said that, folks, now I will see you in next episode of Meet and Greet and my doco series. And after this, I am going to give live promoting the King Charles dinner. So please come and join me from 7 as far it is, and I will be going to a undisclosed destination. So I will not be here. I will be going to a undisclosed destination to give that. Having said that, folks, cheers and bye-bye, and see you next Tuesday at 6 p.m. US Eastern Time.
You've been listening to Meet and Greet with Dr. Afshan Hashmi on K4HD Radio and Talk4 TV. Tune in live right here every Thursday at 6 p.m. Eastern Time. Would you love exposure to your business, product, or service to over 300 million potential listeners? Send an email to info@talk4media.com. And remember, if you missed any part of this show or want to hear it again, find our featured show on iHeartRadio or YouTube, where all past episodes are available on demand 24/7. See you next Thursday at 6 p.m. Eastern Time, right here on K4HD and Talk4 TV.